After years of silence, the Dodge Viper is back, and it's louder, bolder, and meaner than ever. The 2026 Dodge Viper marks the triumphant return of one of America's most iconic supercars, redesigned for a new generation yet still deeply rooted in raw muscle and unfiltered power. This is not just a car. It's a statement that Dodge refuses to let the era of high-performance combustion fade quietly into history. From the moment it was first unveiled, the 2026 Viper sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Fans who had mourned the end of the Viper line back in 2017 suddenly had hope again, and what they got surpassed every expectation. The new Viper doesn't just aim to compete with the likes of the Corvette ZR1 or Ford GT, it's here to dominate the modern muscle battlefield. At first glance, the 2026 Dodge Viper looks like it was sculpted by speed itself. The long hood returns, muscular and stretched, paying homage to the original V10 beasts of the past. The chassis sits low and wide, built from an advanced carbon aluminum hybrid frame that dramatically reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Every contour of the car serves a purpose. Airflow has been completely re-engineered with active aerodynamic systems, adjustable front splitters, dynamic rear diffusers, and a massive active rear wing that adjusts in real time to improve downforce or top-end speed. The result? Stability at 220 km/h and acceleration that pins you to the seat. The front fascia features aggressive LED headlamps that slice through the darkness like twin lasers, flanked by massive intakes feeding the beast beneath the hood. The Viper's signature side exhausts remain, but now they've been reimagined, forged from titanium, and tuned to release a feral growl that can be heard blocks away. Here's where things get truly wild. Dodge engineers couldn't let the Viper return without a monstrous heart, and they delivered. Powering the 2026 Dodge Viper is a twin-turbocharged 8.0-liter V10, producing a mind-bending 850 horsepower and 760 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the car rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest production vehicles in history. But the magic isn't just in the power, it's in the control. The Viper's new active track management system allows drivers to adjust torque distribution, suspension stiffness, and even exhaust mapping with a simple touch. Whether on a city street or a racetrack, the Viper adapts instantly to deliver maximum performance. And unlike many modern supercars shifting toward hybrid or electric setups, Dodge stayed loyal to the purists. The 2026 Viper is pure combustion, celebrating raw engineering without electronic assistance. This is old-school power wrapped in 21st century technology. Step inside, and you'll realize that the new Viper isn't just built for racers. It's built for those who crave adrenaline and refinement at once. The cabin blends race-ready minimalism with luxury craftsmanship. Carbon fiber trims dominate the dashboard, Alcantara lines the doors and steering wheel, and the seats, designed with aerospace materials, hug the driver like a custom-fit glove. A 14-inch curved digital display replaces traditional gauges, providing real-time performance metrics, track telemetry, and customizable driving profiles. The infotainment system, powered by Dodge's Uconnect 6, offers voice controls, 5G connectivity, and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Dodge Performance Cloud. But even with all the tech, Dodge made sure the soul of the Viper remained untouched. Manual mode returns with tactile paddle shifters, and for purists, yes, a 6-speed manual transmission option is available. Few things feel as visceral as manually controlling 850 horses roaring beneath your feet. Dodge didn't just revive the Viper to make headlines, they built it to destroy lap times. On the Nürburgring test circuit, early prototypes of the 2026 Viper reportedly achieved a lap time under 7 minutes, placing it in hypercar territory. Engineers worked tirelessly on suspension tuning, integrating adaptive Bilstein dampers and a fully independent rear setup for unprecedented handling precision. Safety and structure have also evolved. The Viper now includes an integrated carbon fiber safety cell, enhanced traction systems, and real-time stability correction that keeps the driver in full control, even under extreme cornering forces. The original Dodge Viper was never about comfort or compromise. It was about raw, unapologetic power. The 2026 model carries that same DNA but brings sophistication that finally makes it a true global contender. It's not just a muscle car anymore. It's an American-built supercar that can hold its own against Ferraris, McLarens, and Lamborghinis. The Viper's rebirth represents something greater than horsepower. It's a symbol of defiance in a world rapidly going electric. It's a tribute to the days when driving was about emotion, sound, and control. When machines had souls. When Dodge began testing the 2026 Viper, they weren't just aiming to make it fast. They wanted to make it the fastest American car ever built. Early reports from the company's private test track in Chelsea, Michigan, stunned automotive journalists. The car reportedly clocked 0-60 mph in 2.5 seconds and achieved a top speed of 220 mph, making it faster than the previous ACR model and pushing into hypercar territory. At high speeds, the new active aero system performs miracles. The massive carbon fiber wing can produce over 1,000 pounds of downforce when fully deployed, keeping the car glued to the tarmac even through brutal turns. The aerodynamic balance has been so finely tuned that drivers reported the car felt locked into the road, a far cry from the tail-happy, unpredictable Vipers of old. The braking system, designed by Brembo Performance, features 16-inch carbon ceramic rotors and 6-piston calipers. Even from 200 mph, the Viper can stop in under 430 feet, with fade resistance designed for extended track use. For 2026, Dodge has announced 3 major trim levels, each crafted for a unique kind of driver. One Viper GT, the balanced predator. The GT serves as the entry-level model, but is anything but basic. Its 8.0L V10 pumps out 750 horsepower, paired with adaptive suspension and dual driving modes, Tour and Track. Inside, the GT gets Alcantara-trimmed sport seats, an 8-speaker Harman Kardon system, and Dodge's latest digital cockpit. 2 Viper GTSR, the track weapon. The GTSR is built for those who live for the circuit. With a retuned 8.0L twin-turbo V10, the power rises to 850 HP and 780 lb-ft of torque. It features an adjustable titanium exhaust system, lighter magnesium wheels, and an advanced cooling suite that allows repeated hot laps without power loss. This trim also includes a race telemetry suite that records every aspect of performance for post-race analysis. 3. Viper ACR-X, the apex of performance. Then comes the beast. The ACR-X, Dodge's ultimate street-legal race car. This variant uses a track-exclusive calibration to push output past 900 horsepower. It comes with a massive carbon aero kit, an adjustable racing suspension, and lightweight panels that bring total weight under 3,200 pounds. The ACR-X is a precision weapon designed to break lap records, not just in America, but globally. Dodge plans to release the 2026 Viper lineup in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity for collectors and enthusiasts. Expected pricing starts around $180,000 for the GT, $230,000 for the GTSR, and $310,000 for the ACR-X. Each will be hand-assembled at the Connor Avenue Assembly Plant in Detroit, the birthplace of the original Viper. A special launch edition, limited to just 500 units worldwide, will feature a Venom black paint job with red racing stripes, serialized badging, and a signed plaque from the engineering team that brought the Viper back to life. With its unapologetic design, old-school spirit, and cutting-edge engineering, the new Viper could very well mark the last great era of pure American combustion performance. It's not chasing trends, it's defining legacy. The 2026 Dodge Viper is more than just a comeback. It's a love letter to the muscle generation, one that proves true legends never die. They just come back faster.